Hey everyone, welcome. Jay Murph with the Crypto Rain channel. So getting ready for a big move in long distance. I hate that stuff. So just in a couple days here. But yeah, this is a home that we've called home for the past while, a home we bought. And it's under contract and closing in a couple days and we'll be moving. So I just wanted to show you where I'm at, my office. My office is about the only thing still set up in the house. So let me show you what we got going on. So this is something my wife bought me, introverted but willing to talk crypto. Cute little home. I mean, it's not tiny, but we've enjoyed it. My wife loves the spiral staircase. Now you'll see all our stuff is like packed up and we've already shipped a bunch of it. So downstairs. Now many of you know I grew up poor. Well, like not super poor. We always had food and stuff. But, you know, investment always attracted me, the ability to make your money work hard for you. And I do believe in education and educating yourself as much as possible because it helps you grow yourself. And so this is a little place. We had this back patio built and love it. A little bit of, all that sun, synthetic grass there, and just grill and enjoy, have company over. We really love having people over and just, yeah, having a barbecue. We got, I'll really miss this, but an 8-person hot tub. Yeah, that's nice. We use this all the time and a great way to chill out at the end of the day. So I'm gonna miss this place. It's been awesome. But this is where I've been operating out of. I'll show you my office. And I'll be taking it down probably tomorrow for the move and setting it up. For now, I've just had it out of my house, which has been nice. But I'll show you where all the videos come from. All right, so if you're expecting me to be organized, organization, not my skill. And you can see some stuff getting the home ready. But anyway, yeah. I like my monitors. I actually took a bunch of them down. I had 3 up on this side that I took down, but all my lighting and good stuff. So this is the office. These are some sound panels so that the sound doesn't bounce. And I'll be taking them with me. They kind of help decrease the echo. I have a few of them set up in the place. This is fun. I haven't had to use it a whole bunch, but my Rodecaster Pro, and this is for switching video, which I haven't done a whole bunch. Yeah. Well, it's been fun producing the channel. I'm new to creating YouTube videos, so hopefully you found the information that I share valuable. Newer at the video production stuff and trying to get better at that. But yeah, investment, that's what I've been doing for over 20 years. So thank you for joining us, and we'll talk to you later.